Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix LG TV error code 137. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're experiencing Wi-Fi issues with your TV, here are some steps that you can take or to troubleshoot. So first is you need to restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. So this can often resolve temporary issues with your Wi-Fi network. Next is you need to check other devices. So verify if your other device in your home can connect to Wi-Fi network without any problem. So this helps determine if the issue is specific to your TV or if it's affecting multiple devices. Now, next thing I want to do here is to move closer to the router. If possible, move your TV closer to the Wi-Fi router or move your Wi-Fi router closer to the TV. So just to ensure that you have a strong signal in your house or between your TV and Wi-Fi. So walls and furniture can weaken the Wi-Fi signal, so reducing a distance between your TV and the router can improve connectivity. Next is resetting your network settings on the TV. Access the settings menu on your TV, go to network or Wi-Fi settings, and look for options to reset network settings or forget the current Wi-Fi network. Afterward, reconnect to the Wi-Fi network by entering the network name, SSID, and password. Next is you want to update the TV's firmware. Check if there are any available firmware updates for your TV model. Manufacturers regularly release updates that address connectivity issues and enhance overall performance. And finally, reset the TV to factory settings. Now, if the problem persists, you may consider setting your TV to its factory settings. So this action restores the TV to its original configuration and can sometimes resolve persistent issues. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.